there's a commercial property behind this house, and obviously somebody has come in from the other side and they've just hammered it with a, you know, a tractor and flail. I think there's containers and things sitting around there, so they haven't really been able to see. They've just done their best, but it's left the top at this side. You can see actually there's bits of it here have fallen down. It's taken a lot of the structure out of the hedge, so I'm not going to get this perfect, the face or the top this time, which is a frustration. We had this nicely stepped previously, but obviously from the other side they've just wiped it. Hi folks, welcome back. It's Willie here. We're at a job here. We do two properties back to back, so you can see with the first one pretty much knocked out, and we're just gonna make a start on the next one. So probably not a whole pile of talking on this one. We will just get working. A lot to get covered, a lot to get done here, so we'll get cracking, and I'll catch up with you a couple of times throughout. Videos, you'll know step one. Always clear the obstacles in the hedge. Here's a tip for you, something I do. If I'm lifting, you know, pots out of a bed, I always lift them out about 3 foot, but perpendicular to the edge, so you always know exactly where to put them back in. Had to take quite a bit out of the top up here. Just she was leaning away out. So you can see now it's nice and square off the window. A decent line along it. I've been using these Hex armor gloves for, I don't know, maybe about a week now. I spent maybe an hour and a half on my belly in under these shrubs pulling out briars. Didn't get a single briar thorn spiked through my hand at all. Normally when I'm out hedge cutting, I come home, I have 3 or 4 thorns that I sit and pick out with a penknife. Since I've been wearing these gloves, I haven't got a single thorn. Where do you see this? You can see this stuff here is really spiky. Hopefully you can see it, and like I can just grab that, you know, like normally when you're using any other gloves, you know, you see a plant that is particularly thorny and you're real delicate with it and it slows you up. Like that is just amazing. The Apprentice did all this bit. Marks out of 10, folks. Okay folks, that's us done for the day. That's the 2 properties we have done here. We do these once a year, so it's a fairly hard cutback. We just do the shrubs and the hedges, you know, the customer does all the weeding and all the other bits and pieces. So that's all the shrubs and the hedges, giving a really hard push back. So yeah, thanks very much again for watching. I suppose people have maybe been wondering where I've been. I haven't been just taking a holiday or something. No, I haven't been putting up any videos. A couple of reasons. Firstly, just being unbelievably busy, and secondly, we've had the wettest July in record. So it's been very, very difficult for not just gardening but also filming and all that, and to be honest, I've just been so busy that I haven't really bothered videoing. I've just been struggling trying to sort of keep up with the workload and get it done whenever I can, so YouTube has taken a bit of a back seat. But I think we're getting a wee bit of a break in the weather now, so I'll be able to get a couple more videos out. So hopefully that's a pretty bumper one there today and you enjoy it. So thank you very much again for watching. I really do appreciate you watching, and catch you in the next one.